ACDirect.com celebrates 25 years with return of popular heat pump and price-in-cart savings. ACDirect.com is marking its 25th anniversary by bringing back the internet's most popular heat pump, now featuring price-in-cart discounts that let customers see their lowest price during checkout. The promotion highlights complete split-system packages with free shipping, fast 3 to 7 day delivery, a 10-year factory warranty, and potential energy savings of up to 40%. Designed for convenience and transparency, the campaign makes it easy for homeowners and businesses to select the right system and receive it quickly, backed by ACDirect.com's long-standing reputation for value and reliability.